Okay, this is the maiden flight of the X8 from a launch trolley.
That was an epic fail. I'm really sorry. I'm still very proud of you, despite the epic fail. But it's the prongs.
If I kept it going, it might have gone off.
Yeah, off across the A505. How can... It's got nothing to launch off. It's just going to go around like a Zimmer frame attached to the back of it.
I'm going to... Is the camera running?
Yeah.
I'm going to increase the angle of incidence by 2 degrees, okay?
Through the modifications you're now making to...
So, what I'm doing...
The elderly aid.
Fans. is
I'm a fan. I take the mick, but I'm a fan really.
I'm increasing the angle of my rails, not by much because I can't increase it by much. But I've increased it from about 3 degrees to about 5 degrees. And if this doesn't work,
you'll have to take advice from your fly girl.
I'll take advice from my girlfriend, who's an expert on this sort of thing.
I don't mean to point out, but I did say that it was just going to be like a Zimmer frame at the angle that you built it, but what do I know about anything? I can't even tell the difference between steam and smoke. So it makes no odds.
I should learn to listen to you more often. You are a technical genius.
Not many people know it though.
I know they don't, because they're idiots.
No, I really hope this works. That does look a bit more impressive, because it's a bit, it looks like it could actually go.
Well, there's only 2 degrees in it. It's really not a lot.
Jesus, I really hope nothing happens this. I don't think I could cope with the fallout of it.
What do you think will happen?
I think it's still going nowhere.
Well,
although it's got slightly more chance of taking off now.
It will fly out of it if it can go fast enough.
But
it's got to go about 20 miles an hour, I think.
Darling, I don't know. It's those prongs. It's going nowhere, kid.
What would your advice be?
My advice would be, it needs these prongs to go down at some point to get it off the ground. Otherwise, you're just going to be flying it at high speed. Something. Yeah. Otherwise, there's just going to be like not a spring per se, but otherwise you're just going to be gathering speed, and it can't go anywhere.
Do you want to assume your position?
Yes, I will. Bear with me while I trundle across. Ben, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, you rolling?
I am indeed.
Okay.
3.
Attempt number 2 at the X8 maiden flight from a launch trolley.
Oh, that is immense! It's worked! I've lost it. Oh, that is so cool, babe. I'm so glad it's worked. Oh, wow. Please don't attack me. Where is the trolley, Ben?
Down the end of the runway.
Bloody hell, it went for miles. Are you bringing this back in so I can film it?
Try. Are you rolling?
Yes. I have been for about 3 minutes. Oh my God.
If it got air, but if it cleared, or did it stay? It didn't stick to it, did it? It didn't fall off afterwards.
No.
Oh, Ben, it's all nice.
You got video, so you'll be able to see what
We
happened.
will be able to diagnose it.
Yeah.
See if the plane's all right.
Didn't look good, did it?
What I've done is created some moving arms which should allow the aeroplane to rotate on takeoff. I think the problem before was that it couldn't, and that's why it wasn't getting out of the trolley. So they're slightly sprung loaded as well. So let's see what this does.
I just hope that you've left enough room there, because I don't want tears before bedtime, really.
There may well be tears before bedtime.
As long as I'm not decapitated in the process, then
Like last time.
yes.
I'll show you why it doesn't move very far.
Because of the propeller.
Because of the propeller. So, I don't know if you can see it, but when the blades are extended, as you can see, it's pretty close to the ground. So it'll probably chop a bit of grass up when we rotate, but hopefully it won't spend long there because it will fly out of the thing.
We're hoping.
We're hoping.
3, 2, 1.
On that.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
You rolling?
Yes.
Okay. Launching.
Brilliant.
Well done. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. What a treat, isn't it? What a treat. So wonderful, isn't it?
Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, launching.